Have you ever wondered if Sofi, that popular personal finance app, can handle your business finances? Well, let's dive in and find out together. Sofi has been making waves in the personal finance world for years, offering a wide range of services from student loans to investment accounts. But can it also cater to the unique needs of businesses? In this video, we'll explore if Sofi is equipped to handle your business finances, from payments and bookkeeping to loans and investments. 1. Payments. One of the most crucial aspects of business finances is handling payments. Does Sofi offer features that can simplify this process? Let's take a look. Payment acceptance. Can you accept payments from customers directly through Sofi? If so, what payment methods are supported? Invoice management. Does Sofi provide tools for creating and sending invoices to clients? Can you track invoice payments and overdue balances? Expense tracking. Can you easily track your business expenses using Sofi? Are there features to categorize expenses and generate expense reports? 2. Bookkeeping. Accurate bookkeeping is essential for understanding your business's financial health. Can Sofi assist with this? Accounting software integration. Does Sofi integrate with popular accounting software like QuickBooks or Xero? If so, how seamless is the integration process? Financial reporting. Can Sofi help you generate financial reports such as income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements? Tax preparation. Does Sofi offer any tools or resources to assist with tax preparation for your business? 3. Loans. Businesses often need loans to fund growth or cover unexpected expenses. Can Sofi provide business loans? Loan types. What types of business loans does Sofi offer? Are there loans for startups, small businesses, or established enterprises? Interest rates. What are the interest rates for Sofi's business loans? Are they competitive compared to other lenders? Application process. How easy is it to apply for a Sofi business loan? What documentation is required? 4. Investments. For businesses looking to invest their surplus funds, does Sofi offer suitable options? Investment accounts. Does Sofi provide investment accounts specifically designed for businesses? What types of investments are available? Retirement plans. Can Sofi help you set up retirement plans for your business employees, such as 401k, S or SEP IRAs? Financial planning. Does Sofi offer financial planning services for businesses? Can they help you create a long-term financial strategy? So, after exploring Sofi's features and capabilities, can it truly handle your business finances? While it offers some valuable tools and services, it's important to consider your specific needs and compare it to other options on the market. If you're still unsure about whether Sofi is the right fit for your business, I encourage you to do further research and explore other options. You can visit Sofi's website, read customer reviews, or consult with a financial advisor. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.